Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making yourself irresistible. First, pick a position and archetype teams actually trade for, then grind practice reps and weekly objectives to raise your overall rating and XP. Once done, focus on stat categories those teams need so your box score matters. Make sure to complete highlight plays in games. Big plays make headlines and boost trade desirability. You're creating measurable value. Do this consistently over several games to change how AI teams evaluate you. Now you shift to execution. In each match, play like a starter, limit mistakes, pick up first downs, and create turnovers or splash plays when possible. Once your on-field grade and stats improve, use the agent or roster menu to initiate trade talks and specify preferred destinations. Meanwhile, make sure you attend team events and keep chemistry high so coaches view you as a viable upgrade. These consistent displays and formal trade signals make AI teams consider offers more seriously. Finish by proactively managing offers. Submit a trade request, evaluate incoming proposals, and be willing to adjust salary or draft pick expectations to get a deal done. Once you accept, finalize contract terms and immediately integrate into your new team's depth chart. If trades stall, troubleshoot. Lower your asking price, request a release to test free agency, or redouble performance for another 2 to 4 games to force AI interest. These steps convert visibility into an actual move.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.